Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this problem. So first thing, whenever we will see the inner root first. This root we are going to see first and we'll solve, and the outer root at the last. So now let us see how to do this one. So we'll write this one the same. So for this one inner, now first let us remove the decimal point. So we can write 64. How many numbers do we have after the decimal? We have 4 numbers. So we are going to we'll write here divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of zeros. After 1, we'll write here 4 number. Means that is going to be, when you solve this one, you will get the same number. So now, again we will write the same. And we can see that this 64 is a perfect square. 8 8s are 64. And also we have here 4 zeros. 4 zeros means if we write a square root of 10,000, so that is going to 4 zeros means that are going to be only 2 zeros. So that is going to be just 100. So here we can write 8 by 100. So the square root is gone now. So now what will you do? First thing, now we have here, instead of solving 0 point, we can do two ways. Either we make this true, we remove the decimal, or we put this in decimal. So I'll show you both ways. If you want this one, so we can write this 1 divided by 100 plus here 8 divided by 100. So that is going to be 9 divided by 100, and that will be 0.09 root of this one. So that should be this will be 0.3. Or we can do one thing, we can put this in the decimal. So now look at here, we'll 0.01 will keep as it is, and 8 divided by 100 means we'll write 8, and see here how to see here we have 2 zeros, so we'll go backwards 2. So we have only one number over here, so we'll put 1 0 and then point, so it will be 0.08. So now when we add this both, that is going to be 0.09, and you know this 9 is a perfect square, so 0.09 means it is going to be the 0.3 into 0.3. So we'll write 9. So here we have, after this one decimal means 2. So this will be here 0.09. So the answer is the 0.3. 0.09 is the perfect square of this one, 0.3. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.